For years, Google Pixel users have shared a common frustration: accidental touches, random screen activations, and even pocket dialing while the phone is safely tucked away. Whether it was unintended emergency calls, apps opening on their own, or screens waking up inside pockets, this issue has quietly followed Pixel users from generation to generation. Now, after a long wait and countless user complaints, Google has officially confirmed that a pocket mode is finally coming to Pixel devices through a future software update. This long-overdue feature is designed to prevent unintended touch inputs by intelligently detecting when the phone is in a pocket or bag. So why did this problem exist for so long? Why does this update matter? And how exactly will pocket mode work? Let's break it all down. Modern smartphones use capacitive touch screens, which respond to electrical signals from the human body. This technology allows for fast, accurate, and fluid interactions, but it also has a downside. Moisture, fabric friction, pressure, or even slight movement can sometimes imitate a finger touch. When a phone is inside a pocket, especially tight clothing like gym shorts or jeans, these false signals can cause the screen to wake up and register unintended inputs. Pixel phones, known for their smooth animations, always-on displays, and highly responsive touch layers, have been particularly vulnerable. While these features feel great during normal use, they also increase the risk of accidental interactions when the phone is covered. What makes this issue more noticeable is that many rival brands addressed it long ago. Samsung's Galaxy phones include a dedicated pocket mode that uses proximity sensors and motion detection to disable touch input when the device is covered. OnePlus and Xiaomi rely on intelligent algorithms that analyze sensor data to block accidental touches before they happen. Pixels, on the other hand, mostly depended on basic solutions like screen timeouts, tap-to-wake settings, or manual locks, options that many users found unreliable or inconvenient. Over time, Pixel users became increasingly vocal. Online communities such as Reddit and Google's issue tracker filled with reports describing phones unlocking themselves while walking, attempting to enter passcodes, opening apps, or dialing contacts. Some users even reported accidental emergency calls, which is not just embarrassing but potentially dangerous. A particularly active issue thread created in early 2024 gathered hundreds of comments from frustrated users demanding a native solution. Many resorted to third-party apps or extreme settings just to stop the problem, a clear sign that something was missing at the system level. Recently, Google officially acknowledged the issue and confirmed that a pocket mode fix is in development. The company has marked the long-running issue as resolved, pending release in an upcoming software update. Although the feature did not arrive in late 2025 updates, its confirmation alone has already sparked optimism across the Pixel community. The upcoming pocket mode will likely rely on Pixel's existing hardware sensors, including proximity sensors, accelerometers and gyroscopes, ambient light sensors. By combining data from these sensors, the phone can determine when it's covered, moving, or inside a pocket, and temporarily disable touch input. Google may also integrate machine learning, allowing the phone to learn usage patterns and improve accuracy over time. This approach aligns with Google's broader AI strategy, already seen in Pixel features like adaptive brightness, call screening, and gesture controls. One of the biggest challenges Google faces is making sure pocket mode doesn't become too aggressive. Users still want to quickly check notifications, glance at the time, or respond to alerts without frustration. Overblocking touch input could create new annoyances, so fine-tuning will be critical. This is why many experts believe pocket mode will debut gradually, possibly first on newer models like the Pixel 9 and Pixel 10, before rolling out to older devices. Google hasn't provided a specific release date, but industry insiders suggest early 2026 is the most likely window. The feature may arrive as part of Android's quarterly feature drops, allowing Google to test and refine it through real-world feedback. Some users may even see early versions through beta programs. helping Google perfect detection across different clothing types, activities, and environments. At first glance, Pocket Mode might seem like a small feature, but its impact is significant. Accidental touches drain batteries, expose private information, interrupt work, and reduce trust in a device. For professionals, journalists, and business users, these issues can become serious daily disruptions. By fixing this long-standing problem, Google strengthens Pixel's reputation for reliability and usability, areas where competitors have traditionally had an edge. This update also highlights the power of community feedback. User forums, issue trackers, and social media discussions played a major role in pushing this fix forward. It's a reminder that even tech giants must eventually respond to persistent user demands. Many Pixel fans see this as proof that Google is shifting toward more holistic improvements. In the future, Pocket Mode could become even smarter. Some enthusiasts speculate about integration with Pixel Watch data, allowing phones to better understand movement and context. Others imagine AI-driven predictions that prevent false touches before they even occur. Regardless of how far it evolves, this update marks an important step forward. The introduction of Pocket Mode may not grab headlines like a new camera sensor or AI feature, but for Pixel users, it solves one of the most persistent and annoying problems they faced. It proves that small software improvements can have a huge impact on daily satisfaction. As Google prepares to roll out this fix, Pixel owners finally have something they've wanted for years: peace of mind when their phone is in their pocket. And sometimes, that matters more than anything else.